is Hugh Run the World, Beyonce's homecoming party on the plaza on Avenida Houston Plaza. Houston First Corporation and the Downtown Management District put this on. Not only was there a great band, a great fireworks show, but also one of the greatest, most awesome drone shows. It was a drone show, light show, tribute to Queen Bee.
The show was amazing. The drone, oh my God, just crazy. The fireworks, everything, the energy. Houston is showing so much love for Beyonce. Welcome her back home, and I'm just so happy to be a part of it.